Are you feeling a little tight through your chest, your shoulders, your neck, your upper back? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. And I've got a 10-minute stretch that's really all about the upper portion of our body. Now, we don't need any props for this class, and in fact, you don't even need a mat. I'm going to do this entire class standing. You could do it standing or seated, whatever feels better for your body, but this class in particular is going to feel so good for our upper back, our shoulders, our neck, our chest. Go ahead, roll out your mat or take a seat. Let's get started. We'll start standing with our feet underneath our hips. Drop the tailbone, lift the ears higher, stretch your fingers down and away, and flip your palms to me. Eyes opened or closed as you take a moment to check in. Is it easy to stand up tall and straight today? Could you reach your fingers a little closer to the floor, lift the ears a little higher? Notice how your breath is feeling. Hopefully it feels smooth, easy to breathe in and out. Take a big filling inhale through your nose. Big sigh out the mouth. Again, full big inhale. Big breath out. One more time. Let it go. Seal the lips together, breathe through the nose. Drop your chin to your chest, relax your hands. Eyes can be closed still, or you can flutter them open. Almost look down towards your belly button, lifting the back of the head up higher. Put a soft bend in the knees and a tiny upper body forward fold, just folding from the sternum. Go ahead and shake out the hands, the shoulders a little bit. Just find a little movement there for your body. And then slowly stack each vertebra one on top of the other. Arrive standing, palms facing me. Inhale, both hands lift high. Exhale, cactus the arms, pull the elbows down towards your sides. Again, inhale, stretch the hands up and away. Exhale, cactus again. One more time. Inhale, lift up, pause. Stretch the fingers a little higher. Contract the tummy, shoulders down. I'm going to turn you, stay as you are. And from here, cactus the arms, lift your chest, your gaze up. Inhale, straighten, look forward. Do that a couple of times on your own breath. As you lift the sternum up, feel your glutes, your hamstrings kick on. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point, keeping the lower body still and just finding that stretch in your thoracic spine, the upper part of your back. This time, cactus the arms, keep your gaze forward. Again, soft bend in the knees, keep low body still. Take a big inhale, twist to your right. Look forward, twist to your left. Look forward, stretch the hands up nice and high, flip the palms, bring them down by your sides, tuck chin to chest, and again, little soft bend, tiny forward fold in your upper back. Let the shoulder blades part. You can look towards the floor or even towards your pubic bone, and again, a little shimmy, a little shake of the shoulders. Press down into the feet, rise up. Again, both hands lift up nice and high. Let's take that cactus action, again, lifting the chest up. Notice if you are arching the lower back. There might be a little bit of movement there, but I would rather you focus on the feeling of opening up across the top of your chest, keeping the low back still, the glutes, the hamstrings, low body engaged. Last time, cactus, look straight forward, bend the knees, and again, take a twist right. Look center, twist left. Look center, stretch the hands out and away and flip the palms a little bit different. Take the hands out in front of you, plug the shoulders back, flip your palms up to the sky, rotate back down. Flip the palms up to the sky, rotate back down. This time, flip the palms up, hold. Try to touch the pinkies towards one another and reach the heels of the hands up. This is going to be a little bit of work and a great big stretch. Shoulders stay down, navel up and in. Take a big inhale. See if you can lift the hands a little higher without losing that rotation. Find that stretch through the back of your shoulders, almost underneath. Take a big inhale, relax. Stand tall, dip chin to chest, tiny bend, tiny forward fold. Take another inhale. If you'd like a deeper forward fold, let the hands fall as far as whatever feels good. Nod the head yes, shake it no. Grab your opposite elbows, a little ragdoll side to side. Release the hands, let them touch either the floor, your shins, or your thighs, depending on the height of your forward fold. Go ahead and move through the hips. I'm kind of swiveling the hips like a figure 8, bending and straightening the knees, a little pedaling through. Come back to center, slowly rise up to standing. Again, inhale, hands stretch up nice and high. Exhale, cactus, look to the ceiling. Inhale, straight and look forward. Each time I take my hands back up to the ceiling, I almost envision I'm a little kid dangling from monkey bars, stretching the hands up gently higher. Last time. Now, keep your gaze forward, bend the knees, cactus, and again, a twist back and forth. Reach the hands out and away, just like we did earlier, palms face down, a little different. Drop your left hand lower than your right. Give yourself a hug. Now you might reach for your shoulders. We could take a half bind or a full bind. You might even make genie arms if we can't quite go that deep. It's okay, no matter where you are. Circle the elbows. Let the upper back move. Feel that big stretch. If you have the bind like I do, go ahead and reverse. We're going to do a little bit more. If we don't have the bind and you're just holding your shoulders, just keep circling. Try to lift the elbows a little higher, shoulders relax down, ears lift, and see if you can pull your hands away from your face. Take a big inhale. Release, both hands lift high. Exhale, little cactus, bend the knees, twist right and left. Straighten the arms out in front of you. Again, we're going to take those hands, drop your right hand lower, hug, hug. So left hand should be on top this time. Again, we can hold our shoulders. We could bring our hands together, take the bind, your call, circle through the shoulders. Circle through the elbows. Lift the elbows a little higher, take a big inhale, pull the hands away from the face. Full big breath. Release. Again, both hands lift up nice and high. Maybe look up to the ceiling and then forward fold. Take that as deep or shallow as you so choose. For me, the more I tuck my tail and drop the chin to chest, the bigger of a stretch I feel through my back. If we're more interested in a hamstring stretch, you might straighten the legs. It's not necessary. Again, you can grab the elbows, or this time maybe lace the fingers together behind your head and just let the head gently pull you down. I'm not yanking on my neck at all. I've just placed my hands there, but that certainly can intensify the stretch. You can even kind of turn your nose and look underneath your right armpit and left armpit, back and forth. Come back to center, release the hands, bend the knees, roll yourself all the way back up to standing. I'm going to turn to face you. You can stay exactly as you are. Flex the heels of your hands, push the heels of the hands away, contract the tummy, lift your ears higher, point your nose to your right. Look center, point your nose to your left. Look center, drop your right ear to right shoulder and pause. Now, if you'd like to gently place your right hand over the head, be certain I am not pushing down. I'm just draping the hand there for a little intensity. Take the left hand away and reach for an imaginary doorknob and start to twist the doorknob back and forth. Let the shoulder move. Let the chest move. Pause. Relax the hand. Now this is going to be different. Place your right hand on top of your head, and instead of pushing down, I want you to take a big inhale and try to lift your head up to meet your hand. You might extend your left fingertips closer to the ceiling. Relax. Point your nose a little bit down. Big inhale, and again, lift the head up into the hand. Relax. Point your nose down towards your armpit. Same thing. Push the head up into the hand. Release the hand, roll chin to chest, bring your gaze upright. Now again, flex the hands, push the heels of the hands away. Let's look to our left, look center, look to your right, look center, drop left ear to left shoulder, push the hand away, and maybe drape. And again, I'm not pushing down, it's just a little bit of gravity, a little bit of weight there. Grab an imaginary doorknob and take a small twist. Let the shoulder move, let the arm move as much or as little as possible. Slow that down. Bring the hand to actually touch the head now. And again, I'm just barely letting my fingertips reach onto the head. Big inhale, push your head up to meet your hand. You feel that big, beautiful stretch. Release. Point the nose a little down, push the head up. Oh, doesn't that feel so good? Release. Look down to your armpit, push the head up towards the hand. Release both hands to your side, roll chin to chest. Bring your gaze upright. Let's actively circle our shoulders back. Still standing tall and straight, moving at your own pace. Eyes opened or closed. Reverse opposite direction. Slow yourself down, navel in, chest open, big, deep inhale. Big breath out. Take a moment to notice how your back, your shoulders, your neck, your chest feels. 10 minutes can go by so quickly. Remind yourself that no matter how much, how little class you participated in, you were here, you did the work. As always, dip your chin to chest, pat yourself on the back, celebrating all that you did for your body. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.